So you're a brand new Amazon bookseller, you're out at the thrift stores, you're going through the books, and you come across a book with no barcode. What do? You look for the ISBN number. The ISBN number is the International Standard Book Number, and it's a unique identifier for a book or a product. And it's usually about 13 digits long, starting with 978. You can usually find it on the copyright page of a book or the very bottom on the right hand side of the back of the book on the back board. And I constantly see other booksellers when I'm outsourcing just pass these types of books up. They don't want to take the time and stop and punch in that number, and I totally get it. When we're out there, we're sourcing, we're going through all those books really fast, and we don't want to stop and punch that long number in, and I totally understand it. But it does pay off sometimes to check these types of books with no barcode. Sometimes they can be your most profitable books. If you're using the Amazon Seller app or you're using the Scoutly app, which I use, this is what the Scoutly app looks like. And I zip through books super fast with my scanner. I don't use the Amazon Seller app, it's just much too slow, but you can if you're just getting started and you can't afford it, the Scoutly app or a scanner. Start small, go from there. This does boost productivity immensely. And I picked up this one that another bookseller that came before me that day, he passed this one up. I took the time, I punched it in. I'm probably gonna make $40–50 off this book. So when you're out thrifting, you're outsourcing books, don't pass up these types of books, even though it's missing a barcode. I put the link for the Scoutly app down below and the link for ScanFob scanner down below if you're interested in trying these out. It's a fantastic app. I love using it. Highly reliable, and it's fast. Gives me a great readout on prices, ranking, sales score, which is very important. I just highly recommend this app. You guys take care, you stay well. I hope you found this valuable in some way, and good luck sourcing out there, and we'll talk to you later. Peace.